Hi, everybody. It's Diane from Diane's Corner. And, well, now we have some typical North Dakota weather today. We have high winds, and they started over about 24 hours ago yesterday. And we had it was the old-fashioned wind howling through the windows, howling around the house. Every little crack was like a bending, and we had all kinds of noise all through the night and also all through the day today too. And I thought I'd come up here to the top of the hill and look at transportation. We've gone through quite a bit of transportation with the canoe and the boat and the trains. Well, let's cover cars today. I'm up here at the gas station. It's the super pumper, Cenex, here on this side of the street there. Turned around there, you can see the trucks are pulled in because of the high winds, and there you're going to be able to see the flags are flying, getting ripped apart over here. And here comes another vehicle in to get out of the wind, I'm sure. They're not getting very good gas mileage today. He's going to park beside me, it looks like. There's Walmart. There's a couple Walmart trucks. Oh, he's going to go up that direction. But there are a couple Walmart trucks over here. And there's wind blowing. The sand gets in your eyes pretty fast. And that's the Cenex building here. And here's some more people coming through. And on the other side is the Conoco building, and people are getting gassed up over there too. And over there is also the Cenex, was the old Dairy Queen. So my car is kind of moving back and forth out here. I'm sure if I get outside, it's going to be nothing but howling wind. And looks like maybe we'll have a little different change in the atmosphere with all this wind and dirt going through. So this is kind of where I'm at right now in Belfield, and as you can see, it's all lined up with people gassing up, and so that's we went through all kinds of highway systems up here. Up here we've got Highway 85 that goes north and south. And down at the bottom of the hill is the Highway 10, which went east and west until about the 60s. That was the main artery going east and west from Minneapolis all the way to the state of Washington. And then in the 60s, we had the Highway 94 come in. And I actually can remember that. We went out to see the ribbon cutting ceremony on 94. And I think even the governor came, and our band from Belfield played a couple of marches and songs. And it was a pretty big occasion when that opened up for 94. So, yeah, so then these gas stations started up here at the top of the hill. And then there's that Conoco station over there. There's this guy. He's coming back. He's fighting the wind. I'll take a picture of him fighting the wind. Oh, goodness. Well, also new up here at the top of the hill is a highway traffic that's monitored using digital readout. So that's new. They get off of 94 and come down this hill kind of fast. And I think it's set at 35 miles an hour. So the digitized readout will tell you if you're going 35 or above, and so you can slow down and not go through town so fast. And that was a nice improvement a couple years ago. So yeah, just kind of sitting up here at the top of the hill, watching all these people fighting the wind. Oh, do you remember fighting the wind in North Dakota? It happens quite a bit. Well, this is firsthand looking at all these trucks pulling in high profile. They call these trucks when they get blown off the road. They don't want to get blown off the road or tipped over. That's even worse. So there goes a vehicle too. So, well, that's my story today from Diane's Corner and up on top of the hill at the gas stations. Have a good day. Bye now.